Hey guys, it's Shara. It is a blustery day in the neighborhood here. I hope anyone who is watching this that was in the path of Ian has cleared it with minimal damage or no damage. And let's see, it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which is an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. And this is just a quick tidy. Everyone's supposed to do some sort of quick tidy and just share it, just something inspirational. So, well, this video, I have no tiny tidy, I have no cartoon, and I have nothing to share except a reminder. Backtrack story because I'm a talker, and then just remember this reminder's for myself too when I finally get to it. I've been going with family, had wonderful time, did all that. It is, like I said, Monday morning. I got back yesterday. My husband, I hadn't seen him in a while, and we did all the quick tidies together really quick so we could spend the afternoon together. And of course, I didn't want the camera in the way doing that because I just wanted to get everything done quickly. No big deal. I had an eye doctor's appointment this morning, which, by the way, if anyone's interested, even if you're not, I'm going to state it anyway. So, I had a pretty good report. I'm going to continue with some medications, which will leave me not able to drive at night, but it's okay. That just means somebody can chauffeur me, right? And of course, and you probably can't tell because I've got these glasses on and they're kind of tinted, but he has put a ton of things in my eyes, which means I'm probably not going to get a ton done today. And tomorrow, my mom, again, a side backstory, guys, I am a roundabout rambler kind of person. My mom's car was in an accident a little while back, and I do mean her car because she wasn't actually driving it, and it has taken them months to repair it, and it is finally ready. So in order to get her to her car, because she lives about an hour and 20 minutes from me. Yes, maybe it's an hour, give or take. Close enough. And so I've got to go get her, then get her back this way, and then we've got to do a lot of running around to get everything ready to get the car re-licensed and back on the road. I don't know the whole backstory to that, but that's what's got to be done. So tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, which will be the day you're seeing this, is also going to be a crazy day for me. I'll be leaving early in the morning and getting back, I'm guessing, late afternoon. So I don't have a tiny tidy, but my reminder to myself is that that's okay. And that's my reminder to you. People and life take priority. But this is why I feel like this is also a valid tiny tidy video. Because the truth of the matter is that because I do tiny tidies, it's not a chaotic emergency when I have to stop and rearrange my schedule. Everything's not perfect, no. Is it lived in? Of course, all of those things. But would I be horribly embarrassed if someone walked into the house? No. So, my double reminder for your Tiny Tidy Tuesday and my reminder to myself for this Tiny Tidy Tuesday is that it's okay to not have a Tiny Tidy Tuesday video. It's okay to not have a cartoon. It's okay to say, I guess can't do this week. But also, I'm feeling pretty good about the fact that my tiny tidies kind of help keep me on track. And that's kind of the purpose. I really feel like that was is the spirit behind Sunday Dawn's intention is just to remind us that just a few minutes here and there can really help our week. So, guys, this is the third week in a row, but I'm gonna probably pop this up straight from whatever I can edit on the phone kind of thing. And I'm drinking coffee. I had a little cup this morning before I went to the eye doctor, but I'm windblown, tired, and all that good stuff. So, third week in a row, as I was saying, Lord willing, I'll be back next week with a regular tiny tidy video. And thanks for your patience with me for the last 2 weeks. I will get caught up on everyone's videos as quickly as I can. Probably not today or tomorrow, but I'll get there, I promise. And I will see you guys later. And listen, I am putting the playlist down below. Please check it out because there are a lot of great videos, a lot of inspirational work. Everybody comes from all walks of life. We're all in different stages in life. And I have not watched a video yet that I have not learned something from or been sparked with some idea of, hey, maybe I can tweak this in my life. Sorry. Gross TMI about eye doctors and eye drops. When you've had certain eye surgeries, they run down the back of your throat, and I'm like, anyway. Thanks, Sunday Dawn, for hosting this. Thanks, guys, for your patience. And I hope to see you next week. Bye. Don't forget, and this is important, give yourself grace. Do something kind for yourself this week. And if you get the opportunity, do something kind for someone else. And now I'm going to shut up and go away. Bye, guys.